Okay.
And tried that, didn't work. Tried it again, kicked it one time and it worked.
At least you know.
It happened again in the middle of the night, and then this morning,
yeah,
like one kick kind of did a little move, one more move, the third one it went. So.
So I got this call. The customer says AC wasn't starting. He would kick it, and then it would come on. So let's see. I heard a click in there.
Come on?
No. I heard a click. Oh, there you go. Ah.
And earlier when I did that, so this happened once like 2 months ago.
Yeah.
I just turned it off for like a half hour, turned it back on, and it came on.
All right.
I was gone for 5 days. Like I said, it came back yesterday.
Okay.
And tried that, didn't work. Tried it again, kicked it one time and it worked.
At least you know.
It happened again in the middle of the night, and then this morning, like one kick kind of did a little move, one more move, the third one it went. So.
Just a regular kick, not a karate kick.
Dude. Sometimes it's cool, you know.
That's pretty cool.
Contact, you know.
Yeah.
It's like I grew up on boats.
Yeah.
It's not working, you do a little ding ding.
Yep.
It's the place where you're gonna have the worst grounding issues and everything else.
Well, at least you know it's the major parts are working because it does cool.
I've never had an issue.
Cool. Put my hands on it and make it work out. Yeah, I think I see some burning in the contactor and stuff. Air conditioner. Am I gonna get lucky? Yes. Alright, so that was weird. First check voltage. Yep. Ground off. I'm curious. Ooh. That sucker's hot. Oh yeah. Let's see, those contacts are done. This don't look so hot either. We're just gonna leave that alone. Going to do a contactor, probably a capacitor, 40 by 5. Alright, let's get one of those. Look at that. I think that's definitely the problem. I would kick it too. Acting weak. Let's see. 15 microfarad and 5, so yeah, it was bad. That might have been causing the contactor to wear out too. She fires up. Sound like a healthy start. No kicking. Head pressure. Maybe throwing our subcooling on. Oh yeah, that thing's hot. 116. Alright, we'll do a little gardening and cleaning. See if those numbers improve. Not the ideal way to be cleaning. Guess it's gonna have to do today. Alright, so I was able to get some readings in there. Air temperature really wasn't too bad. The coils were dirty. It's not happening today. I'll give them a quote for cleaning those. Subcooling got better. It's 8.8. Head pressure dropped. Temperature definitely dropped. This stupid water off. It's mostly dried out. I'm just going to leave it alone. The main issue was contactor and capacitor. So it needs a good cleaning, but not today. Hopefully this was entertaining, at least. Find out why you have to kick an air conditioner to start it. Alright, well thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.